You're watching this video because you've been doing research on Echinacea and you're trying to decide which one you want to take, where do you start, or maybe you're taking one and you want to switch to something different. So I'd like to tell you about this one. This is by Absonutrix, and they did send this to me as a gift so that I could try it out and then tell you all about it. So what you want to do when you use this is shake it. You know, I don't shake it really rough. I don't want it to get like bubbles or anything in it. And then I'll press the stopper a couple of times just to make sure that it's full of the mixed Echinacea. And then the dose is 8 drops. You hold it under your tongue and hold it there for 15 seconds. So let's do it. And then you just swallow it, and it has, it is alcohol based like most tinctures are, so keep that in mind. The flavor of it is really mild. I can't even, I mean, it tastes like something, but I can't even put my finger on it. It's so mild. So there are a lot of benefits to taking Echinacea. This one works as a daily supplement, so you can, take that into consideration. Some people take it when they start feeling symptoms. I just take it every day, and then I feel better throughout the year. So yeah, that's Echinacea by Absonutrix. If you like this video, head down and hit the like button. And also I will link this in the description so you can go grab it for yourself. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more product reviews of cool products like this.